Welcome to the Alaris Participant Web Guide. This tutorial will provide you with the basic information needed to access your account and perform necessary transactions. To begin, visit Alaris's homepage at alarisrb.com. Click the Login button and select Retirement Access. All you need to gain access to the participant site for the first time is your Social Security number and a personal identification number. You should have received a letter from Alaris containing a personal identification number assigned to your account. If you did not receive a letter or have misplaced it, contact an Alaris representative at 800-433-1685. The first time you log into the system, you will be required to create a new user ID and password. After you have successfully logged into the system, you will be taken to your home page. From here, you can continue to your plan account, download the most recent edition of the Alaris Participant Newsletter, Future Focus, access a selection of financial calculators, or log into your Retirement Readiness Planning program. To access your plan account, select the plan you desire and click Go. The first page you'll see after accessing your plan account is the Summary or Account Overview. On this screen, you can view any alert messages from Alaris or your plan sponsor, a summary of your account, your personal rate of return, and your balance history. From here, you can use the menu on the left side of the screen to access different sections of the site. Let's take a look at these sections now. The first section after the summary is My Balance. From this screen, you can view balance information by investment, source, or asset class. You can also see a summary of your balance activity. Next is My Contributions. Here, you can access your contribution summary as well as view investment allocations for each contribution source. If your plan allows for online deferral changes, the next item on the menu is Change My Contributions. This section allows you to make changes to the salary deferrals you make to the plan. Enter the amount you would like to defer to the plan. If you enter 0, you must check the No Deductions box to continue. Repeat this process for Roth deferrals if applicable. Automatic contribution increases allow you to set up an annual increase to your deferral percentage, up to your desired maximum target. If your plan allows for automatic contribution increases, select Yes or No to indicate whether you would like to take advantage of the feature. If you select Yes, enter your desired amounts in the Increase and Target columns. Repeat this process for Roth deferrals if applicable. Then click Continue. Review the information you've entered and click Finish if correct. Click Back if you need to make a change. You will then receive a confirmation for your transaction. You can click the link on the right side of the screen to print or save the confirmation. Alternatively, you can also delete any pending transaction request before 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on the day of the request. Click the Pending Activity link at the top of the screen to view pending transactions. Click the Cancel button to cancel a transaction. The next menu item is Change My Investments. This screen will allow you to make several different types of changes to your investments. Let's take a closer look at the available transactions. The first option allows you to change the investment allocation for future contributions and realign your current balance in one transaction. The money type should be defaulted to employee directed. If your plan has IPMs or model portfolios, you can select a model or choose Do It Myself to enter your own allocation. Enter the percentage you wish to contribute to each investment into the Future column. The total percent at the bottom must equal 100 and the remaining percent to invest 0 before you can continue. Once you have entered your desired allocation, click Next. Review your current allocation and make any desired changes to your existing balances. You may wish to enter the same percentages used for future contributions to ensure future contributions and existing balances are allocated the same way. Again, the total percent at the bottom must equal 100 and the remaining percent to invest, 0. Click Next. Review the requested changes. You can view prospectuses for any funds involved in the transaction by clicking on the investment name under Confirm your receipt of the investment prospectus. Click Back to make changes. If correct, check the box next to the phrase, I acknowledge being offered prospectuses for the new funds above, and click Finish. View your confirmation and print or save if desired. The next transaction allows you to change only how your future contributions are invested. The money type should be defaulted to employee directed. If your plan has IPMs or model portfolios, you can select a model or choose Do It Myself to enter your own allocation. Enter the percentage you wish to contribute to each investment into the future column. The total percent at the bottom must equal 100 and the remaining percent to invest 0 before you can continue. Once you have entered your desired allocation, click Next. Review the requested changes and check the I acknowledge box to confirm that you have been offered prospectuses for the funds. Click Back to make changes. If correct, click Finish. And again, view your confirmation and print or save if desired. The next option allows you to realign only your current account balance. Review your current allocation and make any desired changes to your existing balances. The total percent at the bottom must equal 100 and the remaining percent to invest 0. Then click Next. Review the requested changes and check the I acknowledge box to confirm that you have been offered prospectuses for the funds. Click Back to make changes. If correct, click Finish. View your confirmation and print or save if desired. This option allows you to transfer specific amounts within your account. Start by indicating what percentage of each fund's existing balance you want to transfer in the From column. Next, indicate what percentage of the total to be transferred you wish allocated to each fund in the To column. The total percent at the bottom must equal 100 and the remaining percent to invest 0 in order to continue. Click Next. Review the requested changes and check the I acknowledge box to confirm that you have been offered prospectuses for the funds. Click Back to make changes. If correct, click Finish. View your confirmation and print or save if desired. The final option allows you to schedule automated account realignments. Enter your desired investment allocation in the Rebalance To column and select your desired frequency. Then click Next. Review the requested changes and check the I acknowledge box to confirm that you have been offered prospectuses for the funds. Click Back to make changes. If correct, click Finish. View your confirmation and print or save if desired. The next item on the side menu is Investment Performance. This screen provides access to your personal rate of return, performance numbers for the funds in your plan, investment prices, market information, and fund prospectuses. If your plan allows for loans, the next menu item is the Loan Center. The Loan Center allows you to view current loans, model a new loan, obtain information regarding paying off current loans, or browse your loan history. The final side menu item is My Statements. This screen provides access to PDF copies of past account statements and transaction confirmations. Now, returning back to the summary page, clicking Edit My Profile allows you to view your personal information. You can also elect to receive e-statements. After providing your email address and consent, you'll receive notice each quarter when your statement is available. The resource library contains various forms and documents related to your plan, as well as a selection of retirement planning calculators for your use. Under My Resources on the right side of the screen, you'll find a link to either Guidance Plus or Advice Plus. This link leads to a secure retirement planning and education website with in-depth retirement planning calculators and learning modules on investments. You will also find a link to an interactive investor questionnaire to help determine your risk tolerance for asset allocation purposes. This concludes the Alaris Participant Website Guide. Participation in your plan represents an important commitment to building a comfortable retirement. If you have additional questions, please contact your Human Resources representative or call Alaris directly at 800-433-1685.